Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Sennheiser headphones with your Windows PC. So all you have to do is just to find this pair button, this one, click and hold it, and now take a look for this indicator. It will start blinking, just like that. It means that we are in the pairing mode. So all you have to do is just open the settings, go to the Bluetooth and devices, and right now click to add device. Select your Bluetooth device, and right here you have to select your Sennheiser headphones, but for some reason they appear like the other device. I mean, when you've got headphones on the list, there will be also the headphone icon, but right now they appear as some weird device. Okay, right now we've got it. As you can see, we have to get this audio device, so that's very important, because when you plug it to something like that, you will be able to listen with your headphones. And right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.